I'm Tim Canfield. I'm Head of Marketing for Conidia Bioscience. Conidia Bioscience are a bioscience company who produce fuel testing test kits for mainly the aviation sector, but also branching out into all other industries. We had a very basic website that had been running for many years and really didn't service SEO at all, and as such was not driving visitors to the site. Our priority was on SEO. We had a very basic website that was old and outdated. It had many pages of content which hadn't been updated, and none of them were driving visitors to the site because they had not been considering SEO. We had already engaged another SEO company, but we really didn't understand what their proposition was and what SEO could bring for our company, and what we as a company would have to do to support that. When we first talked to Geeky Tech, it was very clear that they had far more of an understanding of SEO principles and were able to communicate that to us in ways that we could understand. We knew we had a lot of content already on our website, and that content was great, but it wasn't doing anything for us. Google was not finding us using that content, but the potential there was great, and that was well articulated by Geeky Tech. I've been involved with marketing for many, many years. I've worked with other website design companies, and I've even written my own websites. But there was knowledge there that I was totally lacking. But it was great to have a company that were able to explain the concepts that I didn't know in a way that was easy to digest. But also the support they've given over the years has been great in helping us not only understand the principles, but also responding in a timely manner to doing any design elements that we've needed, any work on reporting or extra SEO content. We were really surprised in the first 6 months since the website was redesigned. We saw over 150% increase in visitors, which is fantastic. And since then it's continued to grow steadily. The conversion rates have been great as well. I think it's sort of getting close to 300% in terms of conversion, which has been great, because the important thing is not only that do people find us, they go through to our website and they have an immersive experience when they're there. Geeky Tech has really helped us to streamline our content, to enable that content to work harder for us. Previously, we had masses of text, masses of content on our old website. We actually reduced that down, but had content that was far more SEO rich so that people could actually find us. I mean, the real positive about working with Geeky Tech is that having a website that people visit is what everybody wants. You spend ages creating material, updating content, and if no one's seeing it, what's the point? We have a variety of suppliers that supply to Conidia, and we really hold on to those companies that are able to work with us and provide what we actually need. Hence our long-standing now relationship with Geeky Tech.